Dude, look, Rubik's Cube. Oh my gosh, there's another player. Oh, these guys are burned. One by one? Oh, two by two. Oh, one by one. Oh. What is happening? Oh. I don't want to buy Skube. Skube suck. I did it. Oh, so like 5-5. They suck. I can buy Skube. These guys are good. You monkey! Whoop, there's nothing else I can do but buy. Nothing! No! Ooh, new connection. Oh, crap, no. No, I'm not a sweat in this game. Let's see, oh, Robux. Ooh, speed coil. I'm gonna buy speed coil. I'm gonna get fit. Wait, I can get money. She knows how me there. Woohoo! Bring me what you need. Sorry, that one. I'm so bored. There's nothing else I can do but do and buy random 3x3 cubes that aren't even that good, man. What is this cube? Square one? Oh, I remember that one. Oh my gosh, I'm so poor, bro. No, we can't. Wait. How much does one cost? You made it go all the way over here for what? Seconds. Gosh, it's like 30 from now. 3, 2, 1, and 30 seconds. Oh, smooth. It's kind of enough from that. Okay, we're good. 4x4 acquired. Can I get another? Oh wait, I need more. Diamonds. No, I just want to know which one you make. How much? 500,000? That's how much it costs. Let's go. There's another one. Nice. Pyramids. $500 a second. For a second. Cube acquired. No. We made our first grand steal. Is that a 5x5? That's a 10x10. $5 million? There's no way I'm getting that money, bro. First, show up equal 3x3 I have. I swear. Wait, we might get a goal? Wait, guys, we might get a godly. We might get a godly by the end of the day. No way, Taylor, I'm such a big fan. Oh my gosh, no, oh my gosh. Favorite tooth, Taylor's not that Eve. Oh yeah, this guy's good. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, Taylor, I didn't know you. Oh my gosh, Taylor, I'm such a big fan. Sorry, I found. Oh, I thought that's a steak. Oh, I thought steak joined my server for a second. Sir? Did you actually like that to me? Did you like actually that to me? Another 6x6 spawned in. Mateus, I swear, Dylan, I know, did you got your phone from? Wait, is that Dylan I know? Yeah, it's definitely not. No. He's doing 6x6. No, they didn't even get help. Oh my gosh, he's doing everything. System, come on. Wow. I'm getting stolen from left and right. Check this guy. I swear, this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Shirt. Yes, yes. I make it right. And we got it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I can't remember at the end. I got. Please leave me alone. Okay, we did. Yeah.
Like and subscribe. The challenge is still on, and I'm winning so far. So please subscribe.